Presenting the ASUS ROG Strix gaming desktop in the color iron grey. This gaming desktop is powered by the powerful 9th Gen Intel Core i5 processor that offers a base speed of 2.9 GHz and a max turbo speed of 4.1 GHz. The processor has 6 cores, 6 threads and 9 MB of cache memory. The dedicated NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 6GB GDDR6 VRAM enables you to run heavy games smoothly. You will get 8 GB of DDR4 RAM to perform smooth multitasking. The 1TB HDD along with 512 GB of SSD takes care of all your storage needs. This ASUS desktop comes with 2 USB 2.0 ports, 4 USB 3.0 ports and 1 HDMI port. You will also get Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity. The PC comes with Windows 10 Home operating system. In the box, you will find CPU, power cable, warranty documents, USB keyboard and USB mouse. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.